I just finished this antique Karl Griesbaum singing bird cage. This is a very early example, and what's nice about this one is the bird actually has hummingbird feathers. There's iridescent blues and greens, and then some wonderful reds and whites along with the rest of the bird's colors. And the bird feathers are in absolutely astounding condition. I conserved the bird, meaning that I spent the extra time to diligently clean all of the feathers rather than replace them. Everything on this bird cage is 100% original, except for the lacquer on the two black forest berries and mushroom. The original coating always chips off and it looks very, very poor. And so I restored those so they're nice and glossy and red, and the mushroom has the white dots as it should. Because everything else is in such nice shape, I wanted the berries to match the rest of the cage. It's already fully wound, and let's hear it play, and I'll start off on the pause feature. Nice long pause. And the pause is the indicator of how good the bellows are. I'm going to switch to continuous now. I'll wait for one more pause. There we go. This birdcage is a very strong singer. The bird automates exactly as she should, with the head turning left and right, the beak and tail flapping, all synchronized with the oscillating notes of the song. Turn it off with this lever. Bear with me here. It winds from the bottom. Let's see if I can position this. There we go. A little height for my camera. There we go. So it winds from the bottom as such. And as I had mentioned, this is probably the strongest singing antique Karl Griesbaum bird cage that I have seen. And I've seen many. It's really will fill up a room nicely. So in summary, an antique Karl Griesbaum singing bird cage, one of the very early models, in excellent antique condition, and the bird has the more ornate and fancy hummingbird feather design. Take care.